thanks. QRZ from November 9 Whiskey.
November 9, November United Quebec.
November 9, November United Quebec, thanks. You're 5 and 9.
They're 5 and 5. I'm in Chicago, Roger.
Okay, I'm in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. 73.
Thank you, 73.
QRZ from November 9 Whiskey. Whiskey 7 Radio Mike Sugar, you're 5 and 9. Thank you, November 9 Whiskey. Again? Okay, Kilo Charlie 9, Delta again?
Delta Foxtrot, Delta Foxtrot.
Kilo Charlie 9, call again?
Yeah, it's got Kilo Charlie 9, Delta Foxtrot, Kilo Charlie 9, Delta Foxtrot.
Okay, Kilo Charlie 9. 3 here, over.
Yeah, we're probably close. Northern Illinois. You're better than that. 5-9, probably. Northern Illinois. Thank you.
Thanks. QRZ, this is November 9 Whiskey. K7 Oscar Uniform Sugar, you're 5 and 9. Thank you. QRZ from November 9 Whiskey.